it's Cindy again from Superhairpieces. Today I'm going to talk to you about our 4 different quality grades of extensions. We have 3A, 4A, 5A, and 6A. You can find our 3A labeled in white and our 4A labeled in pink. So both of these qualities have dark colors that are made with 100% Indian Remy hair, and the light colors are made with 50-50 Chinese and Indian Remy. The difference between the two is that 3A is single drawn and 4A is double drawn, which means the density is a little bit thicker on the 4A than it is on the 3A. Now I'm going to talk about our 5A and 6A. Our 5A quality can be found in gold packaging and our 6A can be found in platinum. With both of these qualities of hair, both light and dark colors are made with 100% Chinese Remy hair. Also, the cuticles are more intact than our 4A and 3A quality, which means that this hair is premium quality hair. Now, the only difference between the 5A and the 6A is that the 6A is extra double drawn, which means, again, the density is all the way through the ends. As always, you can find more information at superhairpieces.com. Thanks for watching!